crumbs, kids, pets. It's so hard to keep your house clean these days, isn't it? And there's a ton of these wet dry vacuums on the market now. The problem is they start to smell after a while. Not the UWANT D600. They figured some things out. Let's take a look. I love clean floors, especially with our dog running around, all kinds of messes she makes. We were so happy to get the UWANT D600 and give this a try, the latest technology. It comes with a filter. Of course, it comes with the self-cleaning base, and we love that as well. Just put the handle in, make sure it's the right way. It snaps right into place. And this will lay all the way down to the floor too. It's really neat. I'll show you that as well. Here is the reservoir for both the clean and dirty water. They're separated, so that is great too. The dirty stays with itself, and also there's a space for dry stuff, as we will show you soon. This is where you fill it up, and they do give you some cleaning solution. Just put 30 milliliters in there to 1 liter of water. Wipe it down and throw it back in your D600, and you are ready to clean. I wanted to try it on our bathroom tile, where it did a great job and cleaned up some hairspray and some yuck that's been on that floor for a while. So it was very nice to have that clean. I love that clean feeling of clean tile. There's nothing like it in the world. And you can select your cleaning mode from Smart, Max, or even a dry mode right from the handle itself. Now it was time to give it the real test. I've got crackers here, I've got flour here, and some hot chocolate. What a sticky, disgusting mess. There's the hot chocolate coming straight up easily. Now the flour picks it up like nothing. No effort whatsoever. Now the hard part, the big pieces. I left them in big pieces to see what this would do. And it handled it pretty well. I had to go over it a few times because the pieces are a little bit bigger. But the suction aspect is able to pull those in and throw those into the dry filter after a few passes. And this was really impressive that this unit could do this. Now this is some very cool technology. In the reservoir, it separates the dry materials and the wastewater. So you have to dump these out separately and you don't have to worry about clogging up your sink. Check this out, let's dump it out. You can see it keeps the dry stuff on top, which you can dump into your trash can. And this is just genius right here. The suction aspect, the vacuum aspect, throws it in a separate area so it doesn't make as big of a mess. And you can see below, the wastewater is in the separate area. And you just dump that in your sink without having to worry about clogging it up. Just rinse it all out, do an automatic cleaning cycle, which we'll show you in a second, and you're ready to clean up an all new mess. Oh, the orange deodorizing stick is going to keep everything smelling perfectly. This is wonderful technology as well. You can just rinse that off and it's ready to go. And the waterproof washable motor underneath the roller is another reason this will remain smell and odor free. You can clean this entire motor here with no worries whatsoever. And then we roll it easily back into its docking base, where it will go through 4 stages of cleaning. It'll go through green, blue, and then a UVC light with hospital grade sterilization, and then infrared light for fast assisted drying. The UWANT D600, the ultimate home cleaning machine. You need this in your home. Odor-free wet dry vac.